What's going on, guys? Zeekman here. We're just going to be taking a walk down to the main part of Shinjuku, Kabukicho area also. We're going to make some videos there, and but since we're walking, I'll just probably give you a nice little walking video here, just to give you an idea of what one of the main local roads here looks like. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, let's see what's going on. You notice how clean everything is. It's really amazing. It's really, really amazing. Family Mart. There's Family Mart. There's Lawson and 7-Eleven. These like your convenience stores. Another thing you're gonna notice, everyone stays on their side of the sidewalk, on the left side. So that's my hotel right there, the APA. Right there. All the girls are always dressed perfectly. All the guys have nice shirts, suits. And I don't know if you can tell, the one big thing about walking around here in Tokyo, which it's crazy, but it's so quiet. There's not a lot of traffic. Everyone uses mass transit, but it's just very quiet all the time. Corn dogs. See, it's cool streets like this. You look down, Some really awesome stuff. Vending machines everywhere. So this video is a little bit of an experiment also. This camera typically isn't good in low light, but I think the lighting right now is perfect. I'm walking on the wrong side. And then when we get to the area that I want to go to, I'm hoping that the lights will be out and it'll be enough to give you guys a quality video. Advertisement for a boy bar. So all you girls out there, if you see your heartthrob up on that truck, you can go, you spend time, you spend some money, you get some time with them, get to hang out, have a drink, discuss Tokyo and where you're from. Alright, so I missed my turn, so I had to turn around and come down this way, but this is a cool street where we're cutting through here in Shinjuku. So there's a lot of these small hotels around here, and they're the love hotels. Find a woman you like, you come down, get a place for a couple hours, and you're all set. Of course, we have vending machines everywhere. This one seems to be ice cream, and then drinks. This one's both. Has this is their alcohol. These are actually new generation. Nobody bothers you filming here for the most part. There were a couple times where weren't allowed to film, but they just tell you, you know, before you go into spaces. Alright, I stopped for a second. I wanted to see what this was, but looks like a sushi restaurant. But it looks like really fancy, really nice. Gets a little more livelier down here, a lot more younger crowd. But we got this place here. Hold on, gotta check Google Maps again. Cafe 88. More vending machines. Look at this. So cool. To get across the street, I gotta show you this. Krispy Kreme. We're becoming a little more commercial. Man, look at this. This is awesome. His life in Shinjuku. So we're gonna go in here in a little bit. There's something really cool in there I want you guys to see. We'll make a separate video for that one. This building is the Kabukicho Tower. It's the newest built tower here in Tokyo. So it's got all really cool high-tech stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go in there soon. So look who we have. Godzilla and Mario. We found them. Right next to the Hotel Gracery. So that's very iconic. When you see that, you know you're in Shinjuku. Alright, that's going to conclude our walk from the APA Hotel, basically my hotel, all the way down here. It's really only about a 4 to 6 minute walk, but I stopped a couple times and took about 10-15 minutes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Get to see a little bit of these side streets of Shinjuku, Kabukicho. I can never say the words right, but I'm trying. And of course we get to see Godzilla. So, see you guys soon on another Zeekman Travels adventure. And check out all my food videos from Japan on Zeekman Eats. See you guys soon. At the top of every hour he does that. It's 6 o'clock right now. That'd be cool to see at night.
Cross the street, you cross again, and